Hi guys, I am Joseph from the mBanqer support team. Today I'll be telling you guys how to resolve an issue you occasionally be experiencing on the mBanqer app. So you realize that occasionally, once in a while, you'll be using the mBanqer app, but after some time, when you enter the phone number and the amount and you try to process a transaction, it will just run the first code and it will stop. So you see the normal 171 hash screen, maybe cash in, cash out on the dialog. It will not process it anymore. I'll show you an example on the screen right away. Okay. So when that happens, don't panic. There are 3 simple steps that you follow to get the app running again. It's very simple. This is not a time for you to panic and for you to maybe uninstall the app and reinstall. That will be a waste of time and your data bundle. It's a glitch with the operating system. So what happens is the OS is giving a false feedback. In the background, it has turned off the accessibility permission for the app, which is very important for the app to run. It has turned it off and it is giving the app a false feedback that it is on. So I'm going over the steps with you for you to know how to go about it. First of all, when it happens, go to your phone settings. So I come here, phone settings, and you go to accessibility. Depending on how the kind of phone you are using, it should be displayed in the list, but I mean the quickest way to go about it, you just search for it over here. When you start typing accessibility, it will show. I have done it before, so I'll just click here. Now it will pull a couple of accessibility related stuff. The one you want to go to is just this accessibility with the human kind of hand spread out. That's the accessibility control. So go to accessibility. So once again, depending on your phone, the mBanqer will be listed right here, but on some phones you see some option like installed apps or installed services. You would have to go there before you see the mBanqer. But if it's listed here directly, just go there. So I'm going to mBanqer. Now you see there's a switch that says it's on. You can see clearly that it's on. This is a false feedback. The reality is the operating system of the phone has turned it off, but it's showing that it's on. So we need to reset it. And to reset it, you just turn it off and on again. That's all. You are just resetting the accessibility permission. Turn it off and turn it on again. So you turn it off by clicking on it. Then it will prompt you to confirm. You stop it. You see it's off now. And you click on it again. It will ask you to confirm and you just allow. So I just turned it off and on again. This is to reset the permission on the operating system. So now, as I have done that, I can just go back to the app and now it should process transaction as it would normally. So for example, if I try to do this, now it will run it. So you can see it just processed the transaction. So I'm going over the steps again. When that happens, there are just 3 things you need to do. Go to your phone settings. On the phone settings page, go to accessibility. After accessibility, mBanqer. You may have an option between accessibility. You go to installed services or installed apps before you get to mBanqer. But once you're on the mBanqer page, you turn the accessibility switch off and on again. Once you do that, you've resetted the accessibility permission and the app will be able to process transactions again. Thank you very much. Bye.